This is a very powerful remedy, a very awesome one. Just go ahead and try it and you see a full result. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Like the title says, this is another uterus cleanser. Uterus or womb, like helping to take care of your womb health. If you try this, you'll be grateful you did. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing. Follow me on Facebook for more helpful videos. Yes, follow my page on Facebook. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So here we have clove. So look at it. I know many of you will know what clove is. Clove is a very powerful spice, okay? It's a natural spice, very healthy for the body. So what I have here is the clove powder. This is gotten by grinding this, turning it into a powdered form. If you have the powdered one, go ahead and make use of it. If the clove stick is what you have, go ahead and get it. Just try it and it will give the same results. So clove here helps to clean the womb. It helps to clean the womb if you are trying to conceive or you want to just balance your hormone naturally. This will help. It cleans the womb, get rid of leftover tissues. Most people, they suffer this blocked tubes, okay? Like if you feel that you are not able to conceive, you have tried different ways, it's best to clean your uterus, clean the womb, so that if there's any leftover tissues, it will be let go. You'll be able to conceive. It helps to balance irregular period. For those people that don't have regular period, like maybe you have a short period or you have excessive period, lengthy one, that maybe instead of 5 days or 4 days, is always like 8 days. Some people, their period is like that, it don't stop. If you always have spotting instead of period, every time short is spotting, this will help greatly to balance it out. It's just a very powerful spice that helps to balance hormone naturally. So I've also shared a video where I said you should soak it. Soaking it is for another purpose, okay? That one is entirely different. That one is for ovulation. But this particular one is to get rid of leftover tissues, balancing the hormone, normalizing your cycle, and making sure you conceive naturally. Before you try any fertility treatment, it's always important to clean first, like detox. This clove is a very powerful antioxidant that detox. It gets rid of what is not right in the body. It helps to take care of infection. Most people, their infertility is as a result of infections. Infection can really eat deep and make one not to conceive naturally. So whichever case it is, you have to clean the uterus. You have to take care of your womb, get rid of what is not right, and make sure you conceive. Just get clove. If it's the stick you are using, the powdered one, all you have to do is just to measure the quantity you want to use. Just add about 2 tablespoons of clove into a cooking pot. Yes, 2 tablespoons. If you want to make more, like you want to make and store in the flask, because you have to take it hot. If you want to make, then just add more of the clove. Just add about 3 tablespoons of clove stick. If it's the powdered one you are making use of, instead of 3 tablespoons of clove stick, just add 2 tablespoons of clove powder. Add about 2 liters of water into the cooking pot. Allow it to boil very well. Boil very well. You are going to see the color change. You notice more of the color coming out if you are using the clove powder, and that is because it's already in a ground form. So if it's the clove stick, make sure you allow it to boil longer, like boil instead of 15 minutes. Allow it to boil more than 15 minutes. If the water is dry, you can add more water. So when you are done, just transfer it into a hot flask, okay? This should be taken early morning. Before your breakfast, take it early morning, okay? You can still take it at night before you go to bed. This will help to flush out waste from the system and making sure you conceive faster. So you have to take this where you're seeing your period. From the first day of the period, start taking this. So before your period starts, just prepare it and store it. For those that have irregular hormone, like you don't really know when your period arrives, you can just, when the period starts, just prepare it. Just boil it and prepare it. Start taking it. Okay, it will help to take care of everything. Why you should take it during your period is so that it will help as that period is coming out, even if it's spotting. It will be flushing out, taking care of your womb, flushing out more blood and old blood. When you are taking this treatment, you will notice that your blood will not be pure red. It will not be that bright. You'll be seeing some old blood, old tissues coming out. okay, and this is cleansing time. It will be cleaning and cleaning until everything returns back. It's very important when you want to conceive, give yourself time, okay? Just give yourself about 1 cycle, 1 month or 2. Be taking it every day. Start from your period day, like the first day of your period. Be taking it. Remember, this is for uterus cleansing, okay? Just take it to clean your womb so that when you want to conceive, you conceive without any stress. So this is not for ovulation, okay? It's not for quality of egg. From the day of your period to the end, like if it's 5 days, be taking it until it finishes. So if you don't ovulate at all, you have ovulation issue, be taking this remedy from the day 1 to 30 days, 1 month, and everything will normalize back to normal. Take it in the morning, take it before bed for best result, okay? And this will help you greatly. Go ahead and try it, and by the grace of God, it's going to help you greatly. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone, okay? I'll see you in my next video.